Hey Katie, what a great day to be outside. Sitting under our umbrella here. I have a cooler full of some surprises for us.
What you got?
Have some water bottles with our koozies on them. Fit nicely into our cup holders on our chairs. Have some snack bits in case we get hungry. And for later, the good drinks can go in these thermos cups.
Keep it
And then
cool.
for our summer fun, this beach volleyball is over 6 feet big. Hopefully this wind won't take it away while we're playing on the outside.
And I made sure I brought our towels and our chairs for us.
Yes.
And for anyone that comes in through the month of July, you get entered to win all these goodies. You can also comment on this video or call us to be entered. If you bring your car in for a repair or service, you automatically get an awesome koozie with a bottle of water. Call us today and we'll get you all set up. Thanks.
Happy 4th of July.